Alright, let's talk about partition label. So you are given a string of lowercase English letter is given. So you need to return the partition. So for this A, B, A, B, C, B, A, C, A, right? The string, the partition string is at most as possible, so that each letter appear in at most one time. So in this case, every letter inside the string appear at most one time, and then in this string is at most one time, which means there is no extra D, E, F, G on other sides, right? So in this example, we can see I can make sure I keep updating my character position. So if A, right, A appears at 0, but A appears at 2, so I update the A to the position 2. So if A hit the position 8, I know everything is already inside the substring, so I can put the insert into my list. So the idea is this: I have a counting array, and then in this counting array I store the char C equal to char at and I, and then count C minus A, and this time we equal to I, right? Position, right? So A, character A minus A would be 0, 0 equal to 0, but with character A again, it would become 2, right? Now let's do the integer list, new array list for the insert, and we need the substring, right? Because we cut into partition, right? So we can start from 0 and 0, and that would be it. So in I equals to 0, so I need to loop through again. So I need to see if n at least character, if n at least character is actually the length of the itself or the position I've found. So say a star char at I minus A, but everything should be inside the counting array, right? So for this example, A minus A is 0, right? And we already know the last character inside the A is 8, right? Is 8 from 0 to 8, and the length is 9. So we know the last character it appears in this substring is 8. So if I equal to n, right, we can just add the length of it itself. So A minus 0 plus 1, right? And then we need to increment, we need to change the value for star, so it's n plus 1. We are no longer need this character, so we're starting from a new character, which is D. So D is the position we want to use. And what else? We just return this, right? And I don't have typo, right? Right, I don't. Alright, pretty good. So let's talk about time and space. Space is all of 26, should be constant. All of 1, and you just add, shouldn't be a problem. Time, all of n in for this loop, because you are traversing every single character in the string, and this is as well. So all of n, because there's nothing inside the loop when you're traversing the length of the s, right? So you just keep changing the count, which is your n, and then to see if I equal to the value, which is the maximum for the character you found. If that is, you just add, and that would be it. Peace out.